Hey everybody, what's going on? Josh here with Scrapyard Films, and today I got a quick fix video for you. If you're like me and you have OBS on multiple different PCs, I have a gaming computer, which I use for primarily video editing as well, and I also have a laptop, which I have, on the go kind of deal. And so I do editing and recording on that. I also use OBS. Now, how I like to record in OBS and stream is the built-in AMD GPU that it has. It has Radeon graphics in it. And so OBS recognizes the encoding for AMD. So one day I go to settings and I go to output and I go to streaming and recording and I want to do MP4, let's just say. And then I go to my encoder and it's not there. I just got QuickSync H264 and I got X264, which is my processor. But I just got done using the AMD recording not even a day ago. So where'd it go? I'm going to go ahead and show you the steps on how I'm going to bring this back and how you can too. We are just going to completely close OBS. So first thing you want to do is Google search AMD driver updates and go ahead and click on that link. You are going to update your AMD drivers. That is step one. So click here, find your thing. I had professional graphics, Radeon Pro, WX100 series. 3100. I downloaded it, submitted it, downloaded it, installed my drivers, updated it. Now this video is being made on December 7th, 2018, so of course your things may vary a little bit if you're watching this in the future. So step one, update your drivers. Once you are done, step two, open up OBS and you're gonna go to help and check for updates, and you're gonna update OBS if you see something. I currently just did it and that's perfectly fine. So bam, right there, OBS. Step three, let's go back here and we're gonna type in AMD Encoder OBS. And that's gonna bring us to AMD Advanced Media Framework Encoder. Click on that one and it's gonna bring us to a page of an AMD Encoder plugin that is created by the OBS developer team and a download link. So you're going to click that and then you are going to download the exe right here. Once you have downloaded and installed that, it's not going to take too long. That's perfect. That's step three. Step four, right click on the desktop, AMD settings. Yours may look a little different because mine are workstation graphics and not gaming graphics. So this may look a little different, but it's all going to be pretty much the same thing. If you go to System, then you go to Switchable Graphics, then we're going to click Running Applications, Installed Profile Applications, and then you're going to look for OBS in here. If it's not, you can go to Browse and find it, which I will. 32-bit, OBS 32. Now this is also, you can do this with 64. Just go ahead and look up where you have OBS installed for 64, but I'm going to click it. So it now recognizes OBS. Click on it, and you're going to have a few different options. Power saving, high performance, or based on power source. Click based on power source. Once you've done that, go ahead and close this. And what you want to do next is plug in your laptop. Or if you have a desktop, you should be good to go at that point. But if you have a laptop like I do, plug it in so it's on a power source. Once you have done that, load back up OBS, go to settings, go to your output, go to recording or streaming, doesn't matter, click encoder, and it's there. And that is the steps on how to get your AMD encoder back in OBS. Hey everyone, thanks for watching that tutorial video. If you liked it, be sure to like, subscribe, and comment. And if you want, you can also consider supporting my Patreon, because the more patrons I have, the better giveaways and more frequent I could throw them. I also sell a bunch of stuff on Amazon and TeePublic. And if you want to be in on the loop and eligible to earn extra entry points, be sure to check out the community section on my YouTube page. That's where I'll be posting all my updates along with all the social media in the description. So thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.